Hello students, open your textbook page number 223. So today we are going to study last point of the chapter number 5 human body, that is care of the sense organ. Okay, so everyone open your textbook page number 223. So first tell me the name of the 5 sense organs. So first is eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. These are our 5 sense organs. So we have to take care of these 5 sense organs. So in this topic we are going to study how to take care of the 5 sense organs. So let's see. See in your textbook, sense organs help us to know the world around us. See, these all 5 sense organs help us to know the world that around us. Hence it is important to take good care of our sense organs. So for this we have to take care of our we have to take care of sense organs. So see in your there are in your textbook there are given one chart, and in this chart there are given do's and don'ts. Do's means क्या करना है और क्या करना नहीं है. So that are given in this chart, and do's and don'ts for the care of our sense organ that is given in this chart. So first we will see about first sense organ, that is eyes. Do's and don'ts. Do's means क्या करना है और क्या करना नहीं है. इसकी means how to take care of eyes and what you have to do not do with your eyes, that is given in this chart. So first do's we will see do's. First, always ensure that there is a sufficient light while reading. So how to take care of eyes while reading? You will always ensure that they are having sufficient light for the reading. Don'ts: do not read in dim light. Do not read in dim light. Do not watch TV for a long time. Do not watch TV for a long time. Do not sit too close to the TV. Do not sit close to the TV. If you are watching the TV for a long time, then it will affect on your eyes. Okay, and if you are sit close to the TV, then it also damage or TV light is damage to your eyes. Okay. Second is, if a dust particle goes into your eyes, wash your eyes with clean cold water. If dust particle goes in your eyes, then what you have to do? You have to clean your eyes with cold water. Never rub your eyes. If dust particle goes into your eyes, then don't rub the eyes. Don't rub the eyes. You have to only wash your eyes with cold water. Third point is, if you have difficulty reading what is written on the blackboard, you must inform your teachers, parents immediately. Okay. See, some students have in the school, when teacher are giving some points or teacher is writing some points on the blackboard, that time some students have problem. They cannot see that blackboard very clearly. So if you have difficulty reading what is written on the blackboard, then directly you have to tell your teacher about that teacher, blackboard is not clear for me. Okay. Then do not hold books too close to your eyes while writing. So when you are reading your textbook, then do not hold your book like this way, means close to your eyes. Okay. Fourth point is, consult an eye specialist whenever needed. See, if your eyes is paining, then you have to consult your eye specialist. Never look directly at the sun, especially during a total solar eclipse. Okay, so this way you have to take care of your eyes. So second sense organ is ears. Do's and don'ts. If you have erect or wax collected in your ear, you can consult a doctor. Don'ts: never put sharp objects into your eyes. Never put sharp objects like pencil, scissor, some having habits. Okay, don't never put sharp objects in your ears because that may damage your eyes. If you are putting any pencil in your eyes, then that will damage to your ears. Eardrums and cause permanent deafness. और and cause permanent means आपको कभी भी सुनने को नहीं आएगा. Second is, if water goes into your eyes, dab gently with sterile cotton buds to remove it. If while swimming water goes in your eye, then what you have to do? You have to take cotton bud and then dab with that cotton buds and to remove it. Okay. Second is, do not listen to loud noise or any sound of high decibels. Do not listen very loud noise. So nowadays you are also using earphones, mobile earphones, and you are doing your mobile volume is very loud. Okay, so it is it is wrong because because your ear get damaged and and cause permanent deafness. Okay. Third is, use earplugs while swimming. Use earplugs while swimming. So this way you have to take care of your ears. Then third is a nose. Nose. If you catch a cold, blow your nose gently to clear it. If you catch a cold, then what you do? You have to blow your nose like this way. So it will clear. And do not keep picking your nose. Do not keep picking your nose. Then tongue. Have a balanced nourishing diet. So for the tongue you have to take a nourishing diet. Don'ts. Avoid taking very hot milk or food. So to take care of tongue, avoid taking very hot milk or food. See. Then second, clean your tongue with a soft tongue cleaner. Every day you have to clean your tongue with a soft tongue cleaner. Don'ts. Do not use hard tongue cleaner that may hurt your taste buds. So this way you have to take care of your tongue. Next is the skin. Do's. First, have a bath every day and wear clean clothes. You have to take care. You have to take bath every day to clean your skin. Okay, and wear always clean clothes. Do not apply any cream or ointment on your own. Consult a doctor or a skin specialist if required. Second, if your skin itches, rub the place gently with your fingertips. If your skin itches, then what you have to do? You have to rub that place gently with your fingerprints. And do not scratch your skin. Do not scratch your skin very hard, even if itches. Okay, this way you have to take care of your skin. Like this way you have to take care of your 5 sense organ because they are very important for us. The next point is exercise and posture. Exercise. Posture means sitting, walking, running, jumping habits. That is called posture. Exercise. Exercise helps us to keep our body healthy. Walking, jogging, cycling and swimming tone the muscles and make them stronger. Okay, so exercise helps us to keep our body healthy. Walking, jogging, cycling and swimming, they stronger muscles and make them stronger. Correct posture also keeps the bones and muscles fit and healthy. See, when you are sitting on the chair or on the table, you have to sit straight. So it keeps when you sit straight on when you sit straight on the chair or on the stool, then it keeps bones and muscles fit and healthy. See in this picture, picture is there. Then we should stand erect and sit straight. Okay, we should stand erect in an upright position and sit straight. Last, while standing, the whole weight of our body should be disturbed equally on our feet. When you are standing, that time you have to balance your weight on your 2 feet. If we bend, some students having like this way bending their body and walking. So if we bend, our weight will not get disturbed evenly. This puts more stress on the muscles and causes muscular pain. So exercise and postures are also very important for our body. So every day do exercise and keep yourself healthy. Okay. So student, today we have to complete chapter number 5 human body and read this point again and solve exercise question number 1, 2, 3 in your textbook and question number 4 that I will give you, and read the chapter again. Thank you, student.